I am reading Fridge by Jennifer O'Grady, and I hope she likes what I do with this. Thank you. Time and place. Woman's home, or maybe inside her mind. This is a play about my fridge. That's me. It behaves very, very badly. Not always. There's something very wrong with you. She doesn't like me. I mostly hate you. I wish you loved me. How can I when you're always breaking down? I'm a fridge. We make mistakes. And I never know why. It's the fan. It's the compressor. It's the panel. It's the sensor. I don't know what it is. Don't get rid of me. I need you to work right. Can't you call another repair person? You'll need new parts. How many? I'm not sure yet. You'll definitely need some new parts. I'll have to order them. How long will it take? I don't know yet. Scream. I'm saying scream instead of actually screaming because I fear any additional vibrations in this house will cause something else to be wrong with you. I'm sorry. And thank you. Why can't you be good? I don't do it on purpose. Well, it isn't my fault. None of my other fridges were like you. I know. You keep telling me. You keep failing me. But you never sent me back. I was hoping it was a glitch, a minor problem that would resolve itself. It's the compressor. Shut up. I want to be good. You've been nice to me. You've kept me clean. I try. You throw out old food pretty quickly. I do try. You're gentle with my door. Some people rattle the shelves, but not you. I try very, very hard. Why can't you just behave? Not doing it on purpose. You're supposed to be better. I purchased a very high-end luxury item. Is that what I am? You cost a ton of money. I didn't know. So now you understand why I'm disappointed, right? You want me to live up to my potential. Exactly. I spend a lot of time taking care of you. I know. There are many other things I could be doing with my time. I said I know. This isn't a free ride. You need electricity, lots of it, and cleaning supplies, and repairs, and it all adds up. If you were a pioneer woman, you wouldn't have a fridge. Do I look like a pioneer woman? Or living in a third world country? Would you like to live somewhere else? Would you like me to find you another place to live? No. I like it here. Well, you don't even seem grateful. I am, and I care about you. How? You don't have any feelings. That hurts. Why can't you be better? I don't know. Maybe it's my components, or maybe something went wrong in the factory. I need a working fridge. Can't you call another repair person? Oh, those parts I mentioned? It'll take at least a month. Scream. Sorry, I can't get to you before January. Scream, scream. If it were me, I'd just replace it. No. But they don't make this model anymore. Buy the newer model. I'll try harder. How's the new model different? Well, you won't have as many shelves. And with cost control the way it is today, they cut corners. That sounds painful. But it'll be cold, right? It will keep my food cold. But the light won't be the same. The ice maker will be smaller. It might not fit beneath your customized cabinetry. Scream. But I could get it to you tomorrow. I could definitely get it here tomorrow. So think about it. Think about it. I don't know what to do. If you want to dump me, then go ahead. What? I know I'm unreliable. I have my yogurt to think about. And your camembert too. It isn't my first choice, but it's okay. Just do it quick. So you're replacing it? I don't have a choice, do I? What do I do with the old one? I'll take it. What? I could use it at home. For what? Practice parts. You know, taking it apart and then putting it back together to gain experience. Not me. A friend. You live with another repair person? Or I might try turning it into something else. Like, don't know yet. Have to take it apart first. Ouch! I'll take it. What's going on here? You just said you're gonna get rid of it. What would you even do with it? Storage. I'll put it in my backyard. You'd keep a broken fridge in your yard. Well, it wouldn't be a fridge exactly. Uh-oh. I'd take the door off, turn it into sort of display cabinet for plants. What type of plants? Plants that aren't always illegal. That sounds nice. No, I'm not letting you use this appliance for your weed storage. You just said you're going to get rid of it. Go away. Geez, I'm just trying to help you out here. How? You have no idea how to fix it. Good luck lugging that thing to the dump. Can you believe her? Some people expect everything. Thinks she owns the world. Thinks her money can do anything. Thinks she's better than anybody else. Yeah, it's no wonder nobody else lives here. Hey, I'm on break now. You want to go grab a beer? Sure. Want to buy some weed? How much? I'm sorry. That wasn't nice. I'd fight them if I could. Thanks. You can call somebody now. What? Someone to cart me away. You're not going anywhere. But you said... I said a lot of things, but I choose you. And you know why? Because I like you. Really? Who else knows what kind of yogurt I eat? Or the type of meat I buy? I know you drink almond milk too. We'll find someone who can fix you. How? I'll keep trying. Okay? I'm lucky to have you. Even though I'm broken. I'm broken too. Really? In some ways, we're all broken. But we'll work on it. Okay? I'm gonna make some calls now. See? It isn't that bad being me. I can do this. I can do it.